Welcome to the TopPick Lab. The best Pete the Cat costume adult is probably one of the most iconic and beloved characters from children's literature, and now you can bring that same whimsical charm to your own life with this fantastic adult costume, perfect for Halloween parties, themed events, or just spreading a little bit of groovy joy wherever you go, making it a standout choice for anyone looking to embrace their inner feline friend with a touch of nostalgic fun and undeniable character. Number 5. Dr. Seuss Cat in the Hat Deluxe Costume Kit. Step into the whimsical world of Dr. Seuss with this iconic costume. Perfect for both adults and kids, it's time for some mischievous fun. This deluxe kit brings the beloved character to life. It includes everything you need to embody the famous feline with flair. Whether you're young or young at heart, this costume is designed for maximum enjoyment. Get ready to create unforgettable memories. Crafted with attention to detail, this costume ensures both a great look and comfortable wear. You'll be ready for any adventure. Make your next party or dress-up session extraordinary. It's the ideal way to add a touch of whimsical magic to any occasion. With this ensemble, you're guaranteed to be the center of attention. Embrace the playful spirit and let the good times roll. What we like? This is the ultimate costume for any fan of the classic character. It includes everything you need for a complete look. If you're looking for a recognizable and easy-to-wear costume for parties or events, this is the one for you. What people say. The costume is well made and looks just like Pete the Cat. It was comfortable to wear and easy to move around in. The details on the costume were great, especially the tail. Number 4. BIBITIME Handmade Knit Pussycat Hat. Introducing a unique hat, meticulously handmade with care. Its charming design adds a special touch to any outfit. Featuring adorable cat ears, this beanie brings a playful and whimsical element. It's perfect for expressing your fun side. This hat is an ideal accessory for marches, parades, or any special event. Stand out from the crowd with its distinctive style. Crafted from soft knit material, it offers warmth and comfort for all-day wear. You'll love how cozy it feels. This stylish beanie is designed for women who appreciate unique fashion. It's a perfect blend of cute and chic. Let your personality shine through with this eye-catching accessory. It's more than just a hat, it's a statement. What we like? Experience artisanal charm with this unique headwear. Its handmade construction ensures a special touch. If you desire a stylish and comfortable accessory for festivals, parades, or casual wear, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This is a great costume for Halloween parties. The costume is very comfortable and easy to wear. The design is very cute and recognizable. Number 3. Raymond Geddes Pete the Cat Pencils with Erasers, 36-pack. Brighten up your day with these funky colored pencils. Their whimsical design is sure to give you an extra boost of creativity. Featuring adorable Pete the Cat characters in 6 different designs, these pencils make learning fun and imaginative. Get a pack of 36 to share. Enjoy a seamless writing experience with these vividly colored pencils. The number 2 HB lead provides an effortless finish every time. These cute pencils are perfect as school supplies, birthday presents, or party favors. Their charming designs appeal to kids and young adults alike. For generations, Raymond Geddes has delighted young minds with fun school supplies. Discover our eye-catching pencils and more. What we like? Get a large quantity of creative writing tools. These feature beloved characters in vibrant designs. If you need school supplies, party favors, or just want to add some fun to everyday writing, this bulk pack is perfect. What people say. The costume is very detailed and looks just like the character. It is made of good quality material and is comfortable to wear. The costume is easy to put on and take off. Number 2. Gildan G2000 Ultra Cotton T-Shirt Multipack. Discover the Gildan Ultra Cotton T-Shirt, style G2000. This multipack offers exceptional comfort and durability for everyday wear. Crafted from 100% ultra cotton, it provides a soft feel against your skin. Experience premium quality that lasts wash after wash. Whether for work or leisure, this t-shirt is a versatile addition to any wardrobe. Its classic fit ensures you look and feel great. Get more value with our convenient multipack option. Stock up on your favorite essential tee without compromising on quality. Designed for longevity, this t-shirt withstands regular use and washing. It's a reliable choice you can count on. Make it your everyday essential. This t-shirt offers the perfect blend of comfort, style, and value for all your needs. What we like. This offers a foundational piece for any wardrobe. Its ultra cotton material ensures lasting comfort. If you need a reliable, everyday t-shirt for layering or standalone wear, this multipack provides great value and versatility. What people say. The costume is well made and looks just like Pete the Cat. The material is soft and comfortable to wear. It's easy to put on and take off. Number 1. Sky blue long fur cat ears and tail set. Step into a world of playful charm with this adorable cat ear and tail set. Perfect for Halloween or any costume party, it's designed to add a touch of feline fun to your look. Crafted with long, luxurious fur, these accessories are incredibly soft to the touch. The sky blue color adds a unique and eye-catching element to your cosplay. This set includes everything you need to transform into a cute kitty. The ears are designed for comfortable wear, and the tail completes the perfect ensemble. Whether it's a Halloween bash, a cosplay convention, or just a fun dress-up occasion, this costume kit is sure to make you stand out. Get ready for compliments. Designed for adults, this costume kit offers a comfortable and adjustable fit. It's the perfect way to add a playful and whimsical touch to your adult cosplay adventures. What we like. Add a playful touch to your outfit with this fun set. The long tail and furry ears create a complete look. If you're dressing up for Halloween, a costume party, or cosplay, this accessory kit is ideal for a quick and cute transformation. What people say. Curling tail is a lot cuter and better than straight ones. Curly tail added personality, instead of just hanging there. The ears are really fluffy and cute. They stay in well and they are comfortable. The tail is also well made and a nice texture. I like that it is really long, the longest tail I could find. It bends to whatever shape you want. The tail seems to be made well, it has an inner wire so tail can be shaped how you want. My son has been using the attached elastic belt to wear the tail, but there is an attached safety pin if pinning the tail is preferred. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.